up, YouTube? It's your boy Catloco, and today we're gonna do some surgery on the roof. So I went ahead and picked up some flat discs, picked up a 36 grit, 60 grit, and 120 grit. Then I also picked up some 40 grit cutoff wheels, and I also picked up a brace-up wheel, 4.5 inch. We're gonna give this a shot before I go to like the 120 grit. So let's check out the roof. So right now, looking at the roof, the worst part I can tell right away is here. You can see they got that Bondo mesh tape or fiberglass mesh in this section right here, so I know this is gonna be bad. I went ahead and started scraping the roof a little bit to try and find out where exactly all the patches are. You know, by this pillar we're gonna have problems, and then this edge right here we're definitely gonna have problems. And then if you look around the car, right now our problem area is gonna be in the middle, the front. This section right here is gonna be bad. I started scraping up, and you see the big hole that we're missing. So yeah, that's bad. This whole strip, all the way to almost the middle. So after I grind this down, I imagine we're gonna have a lot of this going on. A lot of big holes that I have to fix. But yeah, the roof is bad, but it's not gonna get better until it's fixed. Well, let's get it. YouTube, so we started grinding, doing a little discovery. So I knew about this right here. So right here to about here is gonna have to be cut out, put new metal. And then in the front, I got a little hole here. This metal looks fine. But if you look right here, I gotta grind this down more and see why this big strip of tape, because tape was like from here to here, but this is all good metal right here. So I gotta grind some more. I got a hole there, and then we don't really care about the holes in the middle. These are the biggest holes in the roof so far. That's in the middle, that's in the middle. This is pretty much what I expected on more of the roof. So we got these giant holes in the middle of the roof, and then the other problem is in the corner over here. So you got those holes there. I will have to fix part of the one on the end right there. So let me take a look. Those two big holes in the middle, that's where the tape was. I got holes there, which I think the sunroof should come out this far. That one there is a little closer. This one here we definitely have to fix. So I'll have to cut out a big chunk right here, put in new metal. And I haven't really, the back half of the car I'm not worried about. It looks pretty good. It's pretty much everything from these studs forward that I'm worried about. But I was expecting like the whole roof to look like that, honestly. But so far I have 3 giant holes and a bunch of smaller holes, which I can live with. The main part is with the roof, it's the sides. Like this has to get fixed. So I still gotta grind all this off and then see what we're working with, because the front of the windshield seems to be a problem. So I need to start grinding from this hole over to see what we're working with. But yeah, man, it's bad, but it's doable. Let's keep going. All right, YouTube, a little more progress. You can see what I'm saying right here. Everything from the stud back to the glass looks pretty smooth, so not worried about. So on this side, I started prepping it to cut out and weld. So I'm gonna cut like an inch or two beyond where it's rusted. Maybe a couple inches past like the pitting. I'm gonna cut that out. I'm gonna cut there, and I'm gonna cut up top. And all this is getting replaced with new metal. Over here, same thing. This is gonna be like a small patch in this corner. That's getting fixed, and I'm still working on the other side, but I'll hit you back. I already told y'all I'm keeping 100% OG. And keep it real with y'all. Most people would have just fiberglassed this and not even told you about it. But I'm gonna show you everything that I'm going through, because you probably gonna be going through similar things. I know, like I said, some people don't even have a roof, don't have any good metal. So I have some good metal, not much. So this hole, like I said, we're gonna fix. Got a hole there, hole there, hole there. These two big holes and this one is all getting cut out where the sunroof is going. That hole again. So this is the part I'm kind of worried about, this whole front section, because anywhere I saw this, that's where it was bad, where that Bondo was coming in. So like, let me show you. I haven't grinded this down yet. So right here, this middle section, like I said, most of this is getting cut out anyway. But over here, I'm definitely gonna have to fix this side. Anytime I see this, this is probably where the holes are, because like over here, you couldn't really tell at first. So I started putting my scraper in it, and this is a nice little hole right here. So anytime I see all this Bondo, I know to go hard and get this shit out. So I'm gonna finish getting this out, and then I just need to finish this side here up to the windshield, and then by the windshield, then we're pretty much done for now. I just gotta mark out where I'm gonna cut my sheet metal, and then weld in. But before I do the actual cutting and welding, I'm also gonna mark out my template for my panoramic, so I know where I definitely need reinforced and where I need to put new metal for sure. Because I know this side is definitely, I don't think the roof's gonna come out this far out. So I'm gonna have to fix this section and then the section on the other side. And then we're worried about the front. But yeah, that's where we're at right now.
A few moments later. Help me! Help me! Nigga!
Oh shit, this shit is so bad. I can't lie. This thing is horrible. Yeah. So the flex tape worked for where I put it, but there's no way in hell I was gonna catch this many holes. This shit looked like it got like bombed on and shot up. I expected these holes. Hopefully not as many, but like I said, the majority of these are gonna be cut out anyway. Like most of this roof's gonna be gone. See, that's a big ass hole. And then this one here, you can't even see because the pillars right there, the posts. But yeah, it's bad. And I haven't even finished the passenger side in the front. But from the bottom, I mean, just where that one hole is, and that little bondo, I know this hole's there, but I know the roof's going there. But yeah, this is what the hell we're working with. It's gonna be tough, but we're gonna get it done. If I can get this done, shit, I can do anything. Anyway, I showed you my hellhole, what I'm doing on my weekend. As always, remember to like, comment, definitely subscribe, share if you want. Peace.